Today I will show you that how you can easily create a poll on Facebook Messenger. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to open up a group chat on your phone, Facebook Messenger app, and then you'll have to tap on that plus icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. After that, you'll have to tap on poll. Now, you'll have to select a question. For example, I will ask for favorite footballer, and then I will add two options like this. You can add unlimited options, 4 or 5 options, but right now I am adding two options only, and then I'll have to create tap on create poll, and the poll will be created and it will be sent to the group members, and anybody can vote. Like if I want to vote, I'll tap on vote simply, then select my answer, then hit submit. Now you can see there is one vote for Ronaldo. So that's how you can easily create a poll on Facebook Messenger. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.